pre-algebra or pre-calculus teachers should have gone through polar coordinates with you. If they didn't, this may be the first time that you see this. I'm going to assume that possibly a lot of you have forgotten a lot of this, so we'll kind of start from scratch as we go through this. Polar coordinates are a different way for us to represent a location in an XY graph. So traditionally, we have a point here, and that point is represented like this as an ordered pair. We call these rectangular coordinates because it forms a nice, pretty rectangle. Another way to represent a point in 2 dimensions, and in a minute I'm going to show you some alternatives when we talk about 3 dimensions as well, is instead of going x comma y, I can go straight from, whoop, it's supposed to be straight. I can turn at a certain angle and then go straight to it. So here's how this works. Let's say that I want to go to the point, Zachary, right? Raise your hands up. So that's the point that I want to get to. My x equals 0, my angle of theta equals 0, which would be here, is here. So to get there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn, and then I'm going to walk out to Zach. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Opposed to me going here, and then going here. You see the difference? It's just a different way of representing the same point. When we talk about this, this is y, this is x. Notice it forms a nice right triangle. When we deal with a right triangle, we have all sorts of things that automatically get to jump out at us. Trigonometry comes up all over the place. The Pythagorean theorem is another part of this. Let's start here. I can see that x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. I can also see that the tangent of theta is equal to y over r, y over x. I also notice that cosine of theta is equal to x over r, which can be rewritten x equals r cosine theta. This is going to be the heart of what we're doing today. Sine of theta is going to be y over r. Right? Opposite of our hypotenuse. Which means that y is represented as r sine theta. We get a lot of language out of this semester and next semester.